So in my today video, we are going to deal with one of the smallest topic, of course, called as azeotropes. Azeotropes. So before dealing to this azeotropes, let me remind you, this is also a concept which is belonging to with respect to that of your characteristics of your non-ideal solution. That is one showing a positive deviation and another showing a negative deviation. You can ask me, sir, how it is related. So before going to the main topic of azeotropes, I would like to make you one thing clear and explain you what is happening during the boiling. That is, you are boiling a water, what happens over there? So basically, whenever I am saying you to define boiling point, how will you define it? Of course, it is a temperature at which your liquid state and that of your vapor state exist in equilibrium. Alva. That means what? If you have taken a beaker of your water, and please make sure that you have closed it. Let us see, for that it will be easy for our understanding. And you are going to heat it. So what you will be seeing, after some interval of the time, certain water have been vaporized and it is condensing at the whatever the lid you have covered your container. So what is happening? A state will be reached. The rate of the vaporization will be equal to that of your rate of the condensation. So at that particular moment, temperature will be called as that of your boiling point, where your liquid and as well as your vapor state will be existing in equilibrium. Now the question arises, okay sir, you were saying with respect to azeotropes, why you are dealing with the boiling point? It is mainly because our azeotrope concept is mainly dependent upon this boiling point, and also with respect to your solute-solvent interaction, since we are dealing with a solution part. So first and the foremost thing, let us know that what do you mean by this azeotropes? So azeotropes means they are the binary mixtures. So here itself they are giving you the hint. That is a mixture containing the two components, a solute and a solvent, of course. So it's a binary mixture where in the liquid phase and in your liquid phase and in your vapor phase, same composition exists. Same composition exist. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇಪರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ azeotrope is that, and whatever those components are there, they are going to boil at same temperature. So this is the one of the most important thing we have to mark over you. So azeotropes means they are the binary mixture having the same composition in your liquid phase and the vapor phase, and more particularly the mixtures are boiling at the same temperature. Now with respect to this azeotropes, we are going to classify them as minimum boiling azeotropes and maximum boiling azeotropes. Now you may be going to get the hint that why did I explain the boiling point over here? If not at all now, by saying its definition, of course you'll get the hint. So minimum boiling azeotropes means what? Of course they are boiling at a minimum temperature itself. But how to say that? Which solution or which binary mixture is a minimum boiling azeotrope? Please do remember that solution that shows a large positive deviation from the Raoult's law, so they are called as what? Minimum boiling azeotropes. Once again I am repeating, solution showing the large positive deviation from the Raoult's law are called as minimum boiling azeotropes. Can you make up your mind, guys? Why does your solution of positive deviation is showing a minimum boiling azeotropes? please recall the fourth point of your non-ideal solution characteristics. The solute and a solvent interaction a positive deviation. So what happens over here? The solute and the solvent interaction is less or more? Of course, it is less compared to that of your solute and a solvent interaction. So that means what is happening? As I have explained, when you're taking just a liquid or just your water, of course the water was vaporizing. That is not a matter. But here what you're doing, you're taking a solution. That is the reason. So solution means there is a solute and a solvent. So what is happening over here? The solute-solvent interaction is less. That means what happens when first only the bonding is very much less. So if you're just putting some amount of it, of course these molecules will break up and easily they vaporize. And due to this, minimum temperature is required to boil them. They are called as minimum boiling azeotrophs. And that is the reason, we are saying that solutions that shows a large positive deviation will be forming your minimum boiling azeotrophs. So coming over here, the maximum boiling azeotrophs, of course you could only say it, the solution showing the large negative deviation from the Raoult's law are called as maximum boiling azeotrophs. Of course, here also we know that the solute-solvent interaction is more. True? Interaction is more. So that means what happens? They are tightly bent. Alva, your solute and your solvent, if I can say this one as your solute, this one as your solvent, they are very tightly binded. And we know that we have to break this bond, then only they are going to vaporize. Since here the bonding is very much high, you have to supply the maximum amount of heat. So when you are supplying the maximum amount of heat, what happens? It will be resulting in a maximum boiling point. But since both the mixture are boiling at the same temperature, they will be called as an azeotrophs. So overall will be called as maximum boiling azeotrophs. How we are going to determine it? So whatever the solutions you are taking, if it is showing the negative deviation from the Raoult's law, why we are saying as a negative deviation? Because we are studying with respect to its solute-solvent interaction. Since the solute-solvent interaction is more, it will be having a negative deviation. So in simple terms, if you want to say what do you mean by azeotrophs, means they are the binary mixture having the same composition in your liquid and the vapor phase, and you should not stop over there itself, continue from there, and they boil at a same temperature. Coming with respect to the types, of course you are having the two types, minimum boiling azeotrophs, maximum boiling azeotrophs. So minimum boiling azeotrophs means what? Of course the solutions which shows the positive deviation from Raoult's law. Why we are saying this positive itself, that is very much important to understand, because here the solute-solvent interaction is less. So we know that whenever a liquid has to vaporize, means what? The intermolecular bonding should break up. And whatever the temperature is required to break this bond determines its boiling point. And since over here in this type of an azeotroph mixtures, the interaction is very less, so by merely just by giving some amount of heat, the bond easily breaks and it vaporizes and it returns back as and it's going to boil at that temperature. And that is the reason it is boiling at a minimum temperature. It is called as minimum boiling. And they are boiling at the same temperature. It is called as an azeotrophs, overall giving out the name as minimum boiling azeotrophs. Coming with respect to the maximum boiling azeotrophs, as it was showing the negative deviation. Why? Because here solute-solvent interaction is more. In order to vaporize this, of course, we have to break the solute-solvent bond, which is very much strong. So you have to supply maximum amount of heat. So that maximum is resulting over here, calling it as maximum boiling azeotrophs. Now by this explanation, can you give me a hint whether azeotrophs are ideal solutions or non-ideal solutions? You are having the 3 seconds. I will repeat my question. Whether azeotroph mixture, whatever you are saying, whether they are ideal solution or non-ideal solution. If your answer is non-ideal, it is good, because you can just see that in azeotrophs we are dealing with the two types. which is showing a positive deviation from Raoult's law and a negative deviation from Raoult's law. This is only existing for a non-ideal solution. So it gives you the hint that azeotrope mixtures are non-ideal solutions. So in our next video, we are going to see one of the most important and a noteworthy topic called as your colligative properties.